Good morning, everyone. This is Prakash Kumar Gupta from Brilliant Public School, Behtarai. Our today's chapter is chapter number 12, that is areas related to circles. Here, let us understand or learn some formula first related to circle, all the formulas. So, we all are knowing from the previous classes about circle. A circle with radius r is having area pi r square, or if we are converting it into diameter form, then pi d square by 4. Next is perimeter, or we are saying it as circumference. So 2 pi r, or we can say pi d. Here r is radius, d is diameter, and pi generally we are taking 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay. Now second topic is semicircle. Semicircle with radius r, area is pi r square by 2, half of the area of the circle, and perimeter is pi r plus 2r. Next is quadrant. What is the meaning of quadrant? If a circle is divided into 4 equal parts, that is a quadrant. So what is the area of the quadrant? Pi r square by 4, and its perimeter is pi r divided by 2 plus 2r. Next is ring. What is the meaning of ring? If two concentric circles are there, so in between the area of the two circles is known as ring. So generally we are taking radius of the inner circle is small r, radius of the outer circle capital R, and the area is pi. Actually it is pi capital R square minus small r square. Okay, and that a square minus b square formula we can put. So we will be getting pi r plus r minus r. Okay, and diameter is 2 pi r plus 2 pi small r. If we add this both, we will be getting the perimeter. Next is sector. The area bounded by 2 radii and 1 arc is known as sector, and in the sector some angle also is there, that is theta. So what is the area of the sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. And the second, one more formula is there, half into L into R. What is L? The length of the arc. And perimeter is theta by 360 into 2 pi r plus 2r. Next is segment. Segment is the area bounded by one chord and one arc is known as segment. So area of the segment is theta by 360 pi r square minus half r square sin theta. What is theta by 360 pi r square? Already we are knowing area of the sector. Second, minus area of the triangle. So easily we can write area of sector minus area of triangle, and this formula is area of isosceles triangle. Any isosceles triangle we can take this, we can use this formula, half r square sin theta. It's up to us which formula we are using. If 90-degree angle will be there, theta is equal to 90 degree, then we can use half into base into height. Okay, so depending upon the triangle we can use this area of the triangle formula, and this is for every triangles, every isosceles triangles. Next topic, area described by minute hand in 60 minutes. We are already knowing in 60 minutes the minute hand is completing one revolution, that is 360-degree angle. So then if angle described by minute hand in 1 minute will be what? In 1 minute it will be 360 divided by 60. So 6 degree will be the answer. In 1 minute 6 degree, in 2 minutes 12 degree, in 5 minutes 30 degree, likewise. Okay, thank you very much.